Hey, Patrick, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about habits today. You know, the little things we do every day without even noticing?
Oh, habits. That's a fun topic. What made you think about habits?
Well, this morning I woke up and did my usual routine check my phone, stretch a little, drink water, then stare at the wall for 30 seconds while my brain loads.
Yes, the classic human loading screen.
Exactly. And I realized, wow, these are habits. Some good, some bad, some funny.
And some we don't even think about.
Right. So I thought, hey, let's talk about habits today. They're simple, relatable, and everyone has them.
I love that. People learning English can definitely connect with this topic.
Before we get into it, let's introduce ourselves.
Hi, everyone. I'm Shirley from the United States. I help English learners by having slow, natural conversations. No stress, no pressure, just real English.
And I'm Patrick, also from the US. We love talking about everyday topics in a friendly, easy way. Today, we're talking about habits. Good ones, bad ones, weird ones.
And how habits shape our lives. So, Patrick, how would you describe a habit?
A habit is something you do again and again, sometimes without thinking, like brushing your teeth, drinking morning coffee, or checking your phone when you're bored.
Yes, habits can be physical, emotional, or mental.
Exactly. Some habits help us, some habits make life harder.
Let's start with morning habits. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Honestly, I check my phone. It's a bad habit, but it's automatic.
Same. I want to stop that habit, but it's hard.
Yes. After that, I drink water, stretch a bit, and make coffee. Coffee is not just a habit, it's a lifestyle.
Coffee is a personality at this point.
What about your morning habits?
I wake up, sit quietly for 1 minute, and breathe. That's my small, peaceful habit. Then I drink tea, check my schedule, and start my day.
Wow, your mornings sound calm. Mine sound like a tornado.
Different habits, different energy.
Do you have habits you're proud of?
Yes, I read every night before bed, even if it's just 5 minutes.
That's a great habit. I wish I had that one.
What about you?
I walk every day. Even if I'm busy, I try to take at least a 10-minute walk.
That's wonderful. Walking clears the mind.
Yes. Also, I try to drink water all day, but sometimes I forget.
Hey, trying counts too. Okay, time to be honest. What's one bad habit you want to change?
Oh no, just one?
Yes, start with one.
Fine. I procrastinate. A lot.
Yes, you do. I've seen it.
Thank you for your support. But seriously, do you have habits you're proud of?
Yes, I read every night before bed, even if it's just 5 minutes.
That's a great habit. I wish I had that one.
What about you?
I walk every day. Even if I'm busy, I try to take at least a 10-minute walk.
That's wonderful. Walking clears the mind.
Yes. Also, I try to drink water all day, but sometimes I forget.
Hey, trying counts too. Okay, time to be honest. What's one bad habit you want to change?
Oh no, just one?
Yes, start with one.
Fine. I procrastinate. A lot.
Yes, you do. I've seen it.
Thank you for your support. But seriously, I wait until the last minute to do things.
Many people do. It's a common habit.
What about you?
I overthink. I turn small problems into giant stories in my head.
Oh, yes. Overthinking is a habit and a full-time job.
Yes, my brain sometimes works overtime.
Do you have any funny or strange habits?
Smiles. Okay, yes. I talk to myself when I'm alone.
Honestly, same.
I sometimes walk around my room saying, okay, Shirley, you can do this.
That's not strange, that's motivational.
Thank you. Do you have any strange habits?
I pace around the room when I'm thinking, like I walk in circles.
Like a thinking lion.
Exactly.
Do you have any habits from childhood that stayed with you?
Yes, I snack late at night. When I was a kid, I loved eating cookies at midnight. Now I still do, sometimes.
That is adorable. I have a childhood habit too, organizing things by color.
Oh, wow.
Yes, books, clothes, pens, everything.
That sounds beautiful and dangerous for my messy personality. It's interesting how habits affect how we feel. Some habits give us energy and some take energy away.
Yes. For example, drinking water makes me feel good. Scrolling on my phone too long makes me feel tired.
Same. Walking feels good. Staying in bed too long makes me feel slow.
Our habits shape our days. Have you tried building any new habits recently?
Yes, I'm trying to journal every morning, just a few sentences.
That's wonderful. Does it help?
A little. It helps me understand what I'm feeling.
That's powerful.
What about you?
I'm trying to drink water before coffee. It's small, but it makes me feel healthier.
That's a great one. Small habits make a big difference.
Breaking habits is hard.
Oh, yes. It's like trying to change a river. The water wants to go the old way.
Exactly. Do you have a strategy for breaking bad habits?
One idea is replacing a bad habit with a good habit. Like, instead of scrolling on my phone at night, I read a book.
That's smart. What about you?
I try to make bad habits harder to do, like putting snacks on a high shelf.
A practical solution.
Sometimes other people notice our habits more than we do.
Very true. My friends always say, Patrick, you talk with your hands a lot.
You do. Your hands tell half the story.
And people say you have a thinking face.
Oh gosh, yes. When I'm thinking, my face looks like I'm solving a mystery.
It's very dramatic.
Thank you.
There are habits we do all the time that we don't even notice, like locking the door, tying our shoes, turning off the lights.
Yes, habits make life easier. If we had to think about every small thing, our brains would explode.
True.
What about evening habits? How do you end your day?
I make tea, watch something relaxing, brush my teeth, and journal a little.
That sounds peaceful. What about you? I read, stretch a little, and then think about my day. Sometimes I write down one good thing that happened.
That's a beautiful habit.
You know, gratitude is a habit too.
Yes, and it's such a good one. It makes life feel softer.
I try to think of one thing I'm grateful for each day.
What are you grateful for today?
This conversation, it feels warm and honest.
Oh, same here.
Talking about habits makes me realize how much they shape our lives.
Yes, our habits build our days, and our days build our life.
Good habits help us grow. Bad habits teach us what we need to change.
And strange habits make us unique.
Very true.
So, to everyone listening, think about one small habit you want to keep, one habit you want to start, and one habit you want to change.
Small steps lead to big changes.
And be gentle with yourself. Changing habits takes time.
Exactly. Thanks for joining us today.
Take care, everyone.
See you next time.